Hi everyone, I have to open this. It's dark. My room is really dark in here, but I need to open it. It just came here and I wanted to open it on camera because I've been looking forward to it. And so I really wanted to open it, but I didn't want to not video it. I'll come back and use it tomorrow, but I want to do this unboxing part right now because I'm just too excited to wait till tomorrow. This is the new Nature's Painting Kit from the Kits collection. And it uses watercolor pencils, I love. All right, so you've got this kit. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Okay, watercolor pencils, beautiful color selection. Now, if you know my channel, you know that I already own these pencils. The only one I don't have is Berry Burst because I don't think they had a Berry Burst pencil. Or maybe I do, I don't know. But look at this color selection that they've given us. You've got a beautiful array of colors. You also get, oh, I'm so excited, this water brush. And what you do is you put water inside the reservoir by twisting it. And you put water in there. And there's a little rubber gasket in here, so it kind of, you can put a little bit out as needed. I should say this is something that I've known over the first few times I used it. And if you just get it and you don't know it, you'll be like, what is happening? But they're not intuitive. They are counterclockwise. So like when you open, you're used to like lefty-loosey, righty-tighty here in America, and this is the opposite. So I just wanted to tell you that. So then this comes off, and that's your cap, and then you've got these little bristles in here. So when you squeeze gently here, the rubber gasket keeps it from pouring out. It just comes out a little bit at a time and wets your brush, and then you use that to paint. And this is really fun. And then here is the kit. Look at that. Okay, very excited. So let's see. All right, so we've got what is essentially a coloring book, and it's a nice pad, heavy, really nice. This is just your instruction sheet. This is just, okay. And you've got a coloring book that is heavy-duty paper so that you can use watering techniques. Now you can do them with the colored pencils and not add water, or you can add water, and I think there's several of each design. Let me see if it says. It did in the online and I forgot. So I think, oh, it doesn't say in here how many of each design, does it? Okay, that says there are 24. And I think there's 12 different patterns and 2 of each is what I remember, but let's take a look. So look at this one, really pretty. You know what that is? I think it's a peony. And there are 2 of those. And this one looks like magnolias. And there are 2 of those. This one has a center opening. That looks fun. You could stamp a greeting in here or emboss something there. An embossed greeting in gold or silver. Poppies. Various ferns, and I'm not sure what we've got going on here. Puffy plants. Ooh, what is that, a monstera leaf? Some kind of tropical leaves. Thistle? Is that thistle? Help me out if you know. These are really pretty. Hibiscus maybe? Maybe? Sunflower. Oh, nice. You've got all different leaves, and you can do these in fall colors. I love the ginkgo and maple and oak, and then you've got acorns, so that is pretty. Oh, some seeds from a maple tree. Okay, this is poinsettia for Christmas, and we're done. Oh, and then we have just a couple blank. You can make your own. That's really fun. So these are gorgeous. Now inside here I noticed as I opened this a minute ago that they actually show you some coloring ideas for these, and of course this is your own coloring book. You can do them any colors you want, so they're just kind of talking about what colors they used to do these, but I am sure that you are going to make up your own colors. Oh yeah, here they all are separately on the back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 plus, oh, the cover. So 12 patterns plus the cover and your pencils. So really fun. It's late and I just had to open it. This would make a really nice gift because it's got everything you need really. And then when you're done, you can tear these out of the book, and then would make a nice card or a postcard. But you can turn this into a card by just tearing out of the book and then placing it on a card front. Now you'll see a standard Stampin' Up standard card is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and these are bigger because we do have a European market that theirs are 5 by 7. So this will fit for both, and all you'd have to do then is trim a little bit down, and you could put it on a card front and make a really beautiful, not a hot cocoa card front, but a basic card. Trim it down. You could trim it down like this one, for example. You could cut in half and use on 2 different cards. Anyway, really pretty. We'll be coloring these later in the video. I just needed to open it because I just had to see it. I couldn't help myself, and then I'll edit the video so it's consistent. We'll be coloring these tomorrow. Really excited.